CATHAY Pacific Fleet Updates YouTube channel here with me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Hui. And today we will be talking about a CATHAY Pacific Boeing 777-300ER that flew to Xiamen to get reconfigured into an 77K, as well as for maintenance checks. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Kilo Papa X-Ray, and she's the first ever CATHAY Pacific plane to come back to Hong Kong from Alice Springs for long-term storage back in April 2021. She took her flight number 63820 with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 4 minutes, and a track of 250 degrees as you can see it here. This aircraft took off at the northern runway at 5:07 a.m. local time and then landed at runway 05 at Xiamen Airport 6:11 a.m. local time. So let's proceed to the next aircraft, which is another Boeing 777-300ER. Also, Bravo Kilo Papa X-Ray is most likely to get her larger titles if she can. If not, never mind. So let's proceed to another 777-300ER of CX. So she had the registration of Bravo Kilo Quebec X-Ray. She took her flight number 63821. She took off at the northern runway at 8:14 a.m. local time, and then landed at the Xiamen Airport at runway 97 at 9:15 a.m. local time. She took her flight number 63821, weight circular distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour, and a track of 180 degrees as you can see it here. She's special for formerly wearing the our 58777-300ER livery from 2015 until 2023. So that's a wrap for the video, and for the details of this aircraft, kindly check the previews of these two planes. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button down below as well as the bell icon next to it. All by me, Roberto Monico Ignacio, my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys, and see you in the next update.